Welcome to your comprehensive guide to the magic of cool season vegetables. This group of vegetables thrives best in temperatures of 55°F at night and 65°F during the day. These are the best temperatures for these cool season crops to grow in. However, growth-tolerant temperatures for these vegetables are between 32°F and 75°F. Broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage develop better flavor in cooler temperatures. Carrots, radishes, beets, and turnips sweeten in cool weather. Onions, garlic, and leeks need cool weather for strong roots. Plant very early spring for a late spring harvest. Just before heading off for early summer vacation, plant late in the summer months for an extended fall harvest. Kale and cabbage withstand frost. Lettuce and broccoli tolerate light freezes. Harvest at peak maturity. Watch for size, color, and firmness. When are the times in your area to grow perfect cool season vegetables? Take advantage of these times to be able to offer your family only the best. These ideas were taken from the writings of Endless Bounty, available on Amazon. While it's on your mind, why not go on Amazon and order a copy right now?